What's up, guys? Today we are at the hill to have some RC truck fun, so let's get at it. Hey everyone, I'm Abby.
I'm Nate behind the camera.
Amelia's taking a nap. Papa is at home because we are at the not dog-friendly park, because we are at the hill today to do a hill run challenge and to just have some fun bashing this truck we picked up. We'll have it linked in the description box below, but right now it's coming in around $60. So we'll let you know if it's worth your hard-earned money, but this is a 1/16 scale truck. It's four-wheel drive and it claims to go 40 kilometers per hour.
It's about 24 miles an hour, roughly off the top of my head.
The unique aspect of this truck is that it runs on these little e-cigarette batteries. This is about the third, maybe fourth RC truck we've ever seen that runs on this. And what we want to know, let us know in the comments, is if you like when trucks run on these little batteries. I don't know what my opinion is yet. I like it because it's easy to charge, very, very simple to charge. This one just comes with a USB port, but you don't have to know all the charging jargon and have to have a hobby grade charger to charge these. It's really simple, and you can pick up replacements and extras and just keep running all day long because these are not very expensive batteries. This is kind of a trend we've been seeing with the hobby. Would you guys like to see bigger 1/10 scale RC trucks run off these e-cigarette batteries, or do you just want to see the small ones, or do you just don't want to see these batteries at all? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Let's go bash this. I'm just gonna give you guys what you want to see. I want to see if this is gonna go up the hill. I have high hopes. It's four-wheel drive, so
that'd be amazing if it would.
Oh, that's full throttle.
Is it really? No
Hold
way.
on, let me mess with the
throttle trim.
Throttle trim.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Okay, your max throttle trim now, right? Oh yeah, that's a huge difference, huge difference. You might need to trim the steering up some.
That looks better.
So
okay.
That's important for everyone to know that if it comes out of the box, here's the transmitter. You have steering trim and throttle trim, even though it says HT trim, but we had it cranked all the way down and we just turned it up. So if you have a little kid that's driving this or something, you can turn it down. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
You chose to hit the plants.
I did choose to hit the plants.
That's why it didn't make it, but I think if we go plantless, it'll make it.
I'll do better this time.
She says she's gonna do better. See what you got, Abby? You're going to the plants. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, no way. A $60 truck just dominated the hill that we have seen $100 vehicles, like hundreds of dollar vehicles, fail at. And also, how do you hit yourself with a little tiny RC truck when you have that much space to drive in? How is that even possible? Okay, let's see her do it again. Was it just a fluke? Or is she gonna get it a second time? Oh man, now that it's getting stuck, can it recover? Come on, little truck, I'm rooting for you. Okay, all right, it's okay that you hit me. Oh no! All right, I'll save you, I'll save you.
All right, the first one.
Let's see what you got. Maybe it was a fluke, Abby. I think this will let us know. Was it a fluke or is this truck super awesome? What are you doing?
Not driving.
Well, it was a fluke.
No, it wasn't.
All right, let's go. You got this, you got this, you got this. Oh, one tiny little branch. No, oh, there's a root there. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Okay, okay, you've had your shot. My turn, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn.
I'm failing.
My turn. You guys get to hang out with Abby while I just dominate this hill. First try. Are you ready?
Oh, I've done it once.
I even hopped over.
That little stick.
I know, I know.
That's the issue.
It's like a little spring. It just throws you back. Oh, come on, little
You keep
sticks.
hitting them too.
The poor little truck is so lightweight because it's just a $60 little thing.
If you don't hit them, you'll be fine.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Yeah,
I got it. I got it.
Stupid sticks.
It's very capable, but it is lightweight, so it can't really bend those over because it's a 1/10 scale or 1/16 scale. Let's go over here to our favorite spot of the hill and have a little bashing fun over on the side.
Okay.
Okay, let's hit the curb because sometimes we can get some air. Yeah. We forgot our ramp at home. Oh, okay, that's not a good spot. Where's a good spot? This is
Down
actually
there.
pretty fast.
Yeah, for
When
a
we
little
turned
guy.
up- yeah. Nice. I'm gonna drive by really fast and then you have some hill bashing.
Okay, cool. Do you think that's 40 kilometers an hour?
I mean, 40 kilometers an hour is just a little over 20 miles an hour. Yes, I do.
Okay.
I do think they're hitting really close to that with this. Honestly, this is really impressive for that price point. I'm very, very, very happy with it. Look at this thing. Let's look a little closer. Oops. So I just realized it doesn't have a brake system. One thing you want to be careful about. In other words, when you're driving and then you push reverse, it goes right into reverse.
You could strip some gears
You
like
could.
that.
So you want to be very careful.
But it's also a lot of fun to drive like
It
that.
can be, but you don't want to tear up your truck. Now, I will go ahead and point out, and I don't want to sugarcoat this truck. Watch this. I'm driving, I steer, I let off the steering, and it stays in that position a little bit, which tells me that the steering servo is a little on the weak side.
Give me this truck
You
back.
could definitely upgrade your steering servo, but Abby's back at the controls now. When you're driving on a very smooth, flat surface, it's easy to it's easy to tell, but if you're off-roading, not so noticeable. So just pointing that out, something to be aware of if you buy this for yourself. But how many $60 trucks have you ever seen, Abby, that's four-wheel drive and can dominate the hill?
Man, I'm doing terrible.
Do some hill fun.
Hill time.
Yep, do it. It's quick, isn't it? It really is. Once you juice that throttle, it's quick.
Okay, I thought I just flipped it.
Woo!
Well, thank you, Stick. It popped a wheelie for me. Right. Woohoo! I like this little guy.
I do too. You just have to remember the price point when you're driving something like this. Trust me, if it was total junk, we would tell you guys. I don't ever want anyone to watch any of our videos and buy something that's not right for them. If you have less than $100 and you want to try the RC, that was awesome. If you want to try the RC hobby out, I think this is, oh my gosh. Oh, that stick just flung you
On the hill today.
in your heel boots.
I'm gonna help me. I could just laugh if I fall.
I would laugh
I know, I deserve it.
as many times as you've laughed at me.
Guys, for 6 years we've been bringing you honest reviews, and we always tell you if we think something is not worth the money or is worth the money. If you don't
Absolutely.
believe us, go watch like
Half of our videos.
Yeah, for real.
There's probably 700 or 800 videos of us telling you not to buy stuff.
And recently, if you saw the new Xiaomi Fimi
Nice.
drone and noticed that it wasn't on our channel, it's because it's not available to buy yet. Only reviewers have gotten it. Notice we didn't get one.
And that is because we told you guys the
Battery
newer-
life of the first one. We
Was
said
awful.
yeah, we said the battery life was awful. The company did not like that. In fact, they let us know that they didn't like it. And we don't have that drone. So we have to wait until it's available for everybody else to purchase. So if that's not proven up that we bring you honest reviews, then I don't know what is. 6 years, and that's something Nathan and I are really, really proud to say.
That's right.
That we are honest people, and we want you guys to just have fun and just love the hobby as much as we do.
Find the vehicle that's right for you. If you have $2,000 burning a hole in your pocket, buy yourself a Lexus Lummet. You'll regret it because they might come after you if you say their name on YouTube. But if you're the type of person that, you know what, I'm not sure if I'm going to enjoy the hobby or not, maybe test the water with some little guy like this, because this is borderline hobby grade for well under $100, which I think is awesome. There's a lot of people on YouTube. There's some light being shed on this subject right now. There are people on YouTube that are only out to sell you things to their own benefit, nice, to not offend said hobby that might have hooked them up with that thing or whatever. Be careful about who you're watching. If you're starting to notice a trend, hang on. If you're starting to notice a trend on their channel that, how is every RC thing in the world good? Well, it probably isn't. So be careful.
Yeah, and we've burned several bridges now with a few companies because we've
been honest.
So.
And that's why we heavily rely on our Patreon supporters, because without Patreon support, we couldn't bring any content to you. Now, if we could pick up a few more Patreon supporters, maybe we could bring some serious content to you, like more DJI products and stuff. But the very first DJI product that's been on our channel.
Tell you what, if we get $3,000 of patron money, we will eat it and buy a Lexus lemon.
No way. Really?
Yes, make it happen. Make it happen. I
Okay.
challenge you. Right now we have, what are we bringing in? Like $960 right now?
Something like that.
If you guys hit $3,000, it only takes 3,000 of you to donate $1 a month. That's not. We have 170,000 people here, RC family members. You guys really want to see a Lexus limit
On our channel.
and we will say the name when the vehicle is in front of us.
Because we're allowed then.
Because we're allowed. If you want to see it, that's how you can see.
Wow.
I will eat it. We've never had one on the channel. We have had one of those products in the past and liked it.
Yes.
We've had a few actually. Liked it. When all that happened last June, we got rid of everything. But if you guys hit that Patreon goal and want to see us do honest reviews of that more high quality name brand RC trucks, that's how you can make it happen for us. Help us get our money up on Patreon so we can buy the product. And also we're wanting to get some new camera gear too. So all that Patreon money just goes right back into the channel and making the content, almost daily content, happen for you guys.
That's awesome. One reason we're veering off course from this truck is because it's actually a good truck and there's not much else to talk about it. Yeah, it's kind of budget friendly, cheaper. So we're not looking at high-end servos, we're not looking at high-end shocks and motors and stuff. It's just going to be something fun to do exactly what we're doing with it right here. Just bang it up a little bit, realistic bashing, real world bashing, not skate park bashing. Don't take this to a skate park. It won't live through one day of it. This is about what you're capable of doing with this truck. But Abby, that's a good point.
16 scale and 18 scale trucks have like a special place in my heart. There's just, it's the whole different like realm of RC. So you don't have the expectations that you have when you spend money on a 10 scale.
Yeah.
I don't know, just with these smaller trucks, it's not as stressful if you break something. And I don't know, I just think they're a lot of fun.
They are. Can I try it on this little part of the hill?
Yeah. Sorry.
I like it. Look, it's fully proportional too. Did we even mention that? Like we can drive super slow if we want to.
I was hoping they would have
can
noticed.
Turn wide turns or tight turns. Nice and mid-grade throttle here, or we can full juice. And that's pretty quick, $60. This is a very well-rounded truck. It dominated the hill. It can't kill the roots.
I wheelied over that route a second ago. What are you doing?
I need my old HBX root destroyer. That's what I need.
You need to fix it because I bought the spare parts for you, but you never fixed it.
Also, speaking of fixing things, do you remember the other little truck that we had that I loved?
Octane XL. It wasn't little. It was pretty big.
It was big, yeah. The metal parts. I ordered metal parts, the upgrade parts that broke from Banggood that I had linked for you guys in the description box. Also, this truck is going to be linked down there from Banggood too. And in like a week, those parts came. So I got them in the mail yesterday. I'm so excited to fix it and drive it again on the channel, showing you guys what it's capable of with some metal parts inside. About 20 bucks. Kind of expensive for just one single part, but they are metal. So I'm very happy about that. Guys, this thing has a really good runtime too. We've been here talking and hanging out and bashing this whole time. Actually dominated the hill. Let's see if we can get some more ramping. Oh, something locked up. I think I got something in the...
No, I think it's the battery life. It's only supposed to be a 10 minute.
No, I got it. It's a rock back here.
Oh, man.
Big rock.
Is that a rock or a stick?
That's a rock.
You might have to take the wheel off for that one. It's wedged in there.
Nope, got it.
I was going to say, why do you always break the trucks?
Yeah, I do, don't I? Because you break the planes and someone has to break the trucks.
I guess.
You know, and you bring up a good point too with the batteries. Although we are seeing a trend, more of these batteries are in these trucks nowadays. They are very universal and just easy to get your hands on. We have seen so many companies try to make their own proprietary connector, and that's old, you know. I'm tired of that. I'd like to see, it would be cool, like could you imagine maybe 10 of these batteries in a big 10th scale truck? Oh. I know, I saved it. Obviously, when we asked you guys if you wanted to see this type of battery in a 10th scale, we didn't mean 2 of them, maybe 20 of them. What would 20 of these batteries be capable of doing in an Arma Sentin?
You must not remember the Arma Voltage.
No, I do remember that.
That
It
had six
two
of them?
or
No.
four. I think it came with 4, but it could be upgraded to have more.
What
Now
was
they were
that?
slightly
that was
bigger.
like a 12th scale, or was it
They
a
were
10th?
bigger. They were bigger batteries. The batteries were bigger. They were similar in style.
That was the first one we've ever seen with these.
Yes, it was.
Guys,
Yeah,
I think this truck is definitely worth the money. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm excited to show you guys a similar truck that we have to this, just with a slightly different body design.
Yeah.
We'll have that on the channel in a few days. I'm pretty excited to show you guys that because I like this one a lot. It'll be linked down in the description box below. Again, we'd love it if you guys went over and joined our Patreon family. For as little as $1 a month, you can get access to all of our Patreon content. And then from there, we also offer stickers and have your name in the description box, have your name at the end of the video. It's a lot of fun.
You can even, if you got deep enough pockets, you can have my, now I don't mean to boast or anything, it's just for fun, okay? But you can get my number and we can text as much as you want. You want to text about this, you want to text about the Laxus Lummet and why we're not allowed to say their name right now. You want to text about video games or just what kind of cereal you've eaten today. I'm game.
We'd love to see our RC YouTube family come over and join us on our Patreon family. So thank you guys so much for watching and for all your support, no matter what platform you support us on. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!